यूट्यूब पर वीडियोस बनाता रहता हूँ, अपलोड भी करता रहता हूँ, व्यूज़ भी आप अच्छे देते हो। अभी
बॉडी तो बनती है और बॉडी तो बनती है, बॉडी तो बनती है, बॉडी तो बनती है।
So guys, it is day 1 of visiting Lucknow and we are here at Rumi Darwaza with my family and we have new members over here. Say hi.
हाय।
Hi. And this is how it looks.
हाय हाय। वन आई लेफ्ट।
You can see some beautiful stalls over here. Just like this. Hi guys. और मैं लखनऊ के रूमी दरवाज़ा पे आई हूँ और काफ़ी आप देखोगे पहले तो वैसे लाइट्स वगैरह रहती है यहाँ पर, आज लाइट्स नहीं जल रही है यहाँ पर, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा क्राउड है। अगर आप देखोगे तो क्राउड बहुत ही बढ़िया है। और मेरे यहाँ पे स्टॉल पे देखोगे इधर की तरफ 3-4 स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं जिसमें बर्गर है, चाउमीन है, दही चटनी है, ऑल है। बट मैंने अभी जो यहाँ का गोलगप्पे खाया है तो हमारे दिल्ली वाले टेस्ट से थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। यहाँ के पानी का टेस्ट भी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। और अब मैं खाने जा रही हूँ यहाँ का चाट, यानी कि इसको वैसे चाट बोलते हैं ये लोग और हम लोग वहाँ पे टिक्की बोलते हैं, आलू की टिक्की। तो मैंने अभी इस भैया से बोला कि मुझे आलू की टिक्की खाना है, बट ही सेड कि चाट खाना है ना आपको, तो लाइक मैं वो चाट खाने जा रही हूँ, यानी कि आलू की टिक्की। लेट्स सी आलू की टिक्की का स्वाद कैसा है। गोलगप्पे का नो डाउट स्वाद जो दिल्ली का स्वाद है वैसा तो नहीं है बट अच्छा है। बट अब देखते हैं मैं चाट का स्वाद कैसा है, वो मैं अभी आपको बताती हूँ टेस्ट करके।
हमसे ना वैसे वैसे पकड़ो ओहो, ऑर्डर जनहित में जारी रहे, अपनी लिमिट में रहो। हेलो हेलो अब तो हाँ।
चाट का टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है। जो मैंने गोलगप्पे खाए थे उस टेस्ट से ज़्यादा अच्छा मुझे चाट लगा, नो डाउट। इसका जो मसाला है और जो इसमें चटनी डाली है वो बहुत टेस्टी लगी। दिल्ली से ज़्यादा टेस्टी मुझे यहाँ की लगी। So guys, we did not eat much. I had a golgappa and my father had a tikki, a bite of tikki. So what do you want to say? Like, is there any difference of taste from Delhi and Lucknow? Like, what is there? What did you feel about the taste?
Actually, I did not take enough. It was a bit. So it is. And one more thing that I usually don't eat these kind of things. So it's a really big thing for me to determine this was good or that was good. So it's okay.
Yes, yeah, this is true. Also, one more thing I wanted to ask. Like, we have gone to several places in Delhi, you know, be it India Gate or CP. So what do you want to say about the crowd or nightlife? Like, which city has the best nightlife?
See, Delhi is close to my heart. Okay. So all the cities are good. At least all the cities are good because all the cities are parts of our country. So, but Delhi is, you know, it's very close to my heart. So no comparison between Delhi and Lucknow. Delhi is Delhi, Lucknow is Lucknow. And still, you know, in the beginning I said that I would like to find the reasons. Okay, so I am still finding a reason why should I smile in Lucknow.
As we have heard a lot of times, you know, while landing in Lucknow कि मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में है, we are still finding some reasons ताकि हम मुस्कुराए. And one more
There is a reason. The only reason is that we are along with family members. This can be. But other than that, what are the reasons? I just want to know from, you know, the people who rule over Lucknow. What are the reasons? Why should I smile in Lucknow? Yes, it is a city, it is a historical city. A number of historical facts are related to this city. But why? What more? I just want to know. Why should I smile?
And Papa, I was having another question. Like, we have a lot of monuments in Delhi as well, and we have a lot of monuments in Lucknow. Like, one is just in front of us, Rumi Darwaza. So what do you want to say about the conservation of these monuments? Like, किस city ने ज़्यादा अच्छा take care किया हुआ है? Be it like cleanliness or the surrounding. environment, anything. What do you want to say about this?
सी दिल्ली और लखनऊ के बीच में या दिल्ली से सबसे बड़ी बात दिल्ली की ये है कि स्पेशली अ पर्सन हु लिव्स इन दिल्ली, जब वो दिल्ली से बाहर जाता है तो सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नोटिस दिल्ली की सड़कें। मैंने ज़्यादा तो नहीं लेकिन जिन सिटीज़ में भी मुझे जाने का मौका मिला, मैंने सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस, कई बार लोग पूछते हैं आपको क्या डिफरेंस लग रहा है, लोग भी पूछते हैं कि भाई आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगा है मेरे सिटी में और दिल्ली में। दिल्ली की चौड़ी सड़कें, दिल्ली की चौड़ी सड़कें, ऐसी चौड़ी सड़कें मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी। तो पहली बात तो ये, और दूसरी बात सफाई की बात, ठीक है सफाई सब जगह है और यू नो दैट इट हैज़ बिकम अ मिशन and more than mission, it has become a photo session. Most of the people engage in making photos, videos, keeping a broom in hands and taking selfies. तो इससे ज़्यादा जो वहाँ है वो भी यहीं पर है बहुत हद तक। ठीक है, लखनऊ अपनी जगह पर, दिल्ली दिल्ली है, लखनऊ लखनऊ है।
काफ़ी हद तक even I am having the same opinion. Let's we have a lot more days in our hands, so let's explore the city a little more.
और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात सफाई को लेकर के, ये एक सिविक सेंस की बात होती है। जब तक कोई कहीं का भी हो, दिल्ली का हो, यूपी का हो, बिहार का हो, असम का हो, मुंबई का हो, जब तक वहाँ के लोग, जब तक वो इसको अपना मिशन नहीं बनाएंगे, जब तक आप खुद नहीं सोचोगे कि मुझे अपने शहर को, अपने सराउंडिंग को साफ़ करना है, तब तक कोई कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता। जो कमी मैं अन्य शहरों में देखता हूँ, द सेम कमी आई एम फाइंडिंग इन लखनऊ एज वेल। सो दिस इज़ योर सिटी, दिस इज़ माई सिटी, सो यू ट्राई टू क्लीन इट।
Also guys, I am having my chacha with me right now. He is new to our channel, but yes, he has been living in Mumbai for I guess the last decade or even more than that. So now in Lucknow, what do you see the difference? Like what is the difference between Mumbai and Lucknow?
First of all, lifestyle is very cool. People are very minded and they are very helpful. And the second thing is shanti hai yahan pe compared to this Mumbai. Communication is very easy. Okay. So the vibes is better. I think Mumbai was also good, but personally being a North Indian, I feel much better living this to spend our rest of life.
Also, like nightlife. What do you want to say about nightlife? Mumbai is just famous for nightlife, and I just had a conversation with Papa about nightlife. Now, what is your take about nightlife? Like we are in the night in Lucknow. What do you want to say about this? Like which city do you find better for
See,
nightlife?
of course, there is no comparison with Mumbai to Lucknow in the nightlife because Mumbai is already famous. But of course, Lucknow is not picking up, and they are picking up very well. So again, there are places like Marine Drive. Then currently we are at Rumi Darwaja, and there are so many places we are coming day by day where nightlife is picking up. And not in Lucknow only. In most of the places I have travelled in UP, like in Allahabad, Varanasi, Gorakhpur, in fact, Devariya as well. So nightlife is also picking up. So it's not very soon they are going to give a very strong टक्कर to Mumbai as well.
Also, क्या आपको मुस्कुराने की वजह मिली लखनऊ में? वजह मिली मतलब आप मुस्कुराइए लखनऊ में है, उसका क्या कारण है? क्या आप मुस्कुरा रहे हैं लखनऊ में?
Definitely, as I told you कि अपना जो लाइफस्टाइल है that is much better, much cooler. So of course वजह तो है लखनऊ में, और जैसा लखनऊ का नाम ही है, यहाँ पे अगर आप 10 लोगों से मिलेंगे तो 8 लोग आपको हमेशा बोल ही देंगे कि मुस्कुराइए, आप लखनऊ में हैं। So बोलने पे मुस्कुराना ही पड़ता है, तो रीज़न तो है ही।
Also a very quick game session with you guys, like both of them, my father, my chacha have been to Delhi, Mumbai and Lucknow. So a quick game session, like what do you want to rate? 1, 2, 3. Which cities are you going to keep it on 1, 2 and 3? First you will go.
Delhi number 1, okay, and Mumbai 2 and Lucknow 3.
What do you want to say?
So of course Delhi number 1, okay, and second is Lucknow.
Very close, but yes, east or west, Delhi is the best. I think right now it is happening. And yeah, this is cool. Weather is nice, though he is having a sweater because you know he is used to Mumbai's weather. But I guess आप half better ही feel कर रहे हैं. Weather is nice here. And yeah, food. Now you have been to Mumbai. तो वहाँ का वड़ा पाव, वहाँ की पानी पूरी, दिल्ली के गोलगप्पे और यहाँ के चाट से कितना डिफरेंस है. लाइक पापा टोल्ड मी कि भाई उन्होंने इतना भी फास्ट फूड यूज यू नो ही हैजंट एंजॉयड इट सो मच. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट दिस?
Yeah, of course, Lucknow is famous for food, especially for non-veg, and I find masalas are better than anywhere else. Or food taste, of course, much better है than anywhere else.
So both of you, one last question. जो हमारे ऑडियंस हमें देख रही है, all our friends, are you going to recommend them to visit Lucknow for a week? Like, is Lucknow best for a 1 week trip?
Not only Lucknow, each and every part of India ought to visit by everyone. Okay, and there are a number of regions. Okay, so Lucknow, of course, it should be, but not, I repeat, not only Lucknow, but other parts as well of our country ought to visit.
And you?
Yeah, definitely. I'll also follow the same thing. Not only Lucknow. Lucknow, of course, they should come and visit. But the places are like, because in India, most famous places are like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. So most of the, and Calcutta, most of the metro cities. But now tier 2, tier 3 cities like Lucknow, Jaipur, Indore, Bhopal. Bhopal is also a very good place. So people should explore and visit.
So if you guys comment me down to visit Bhopal, we are going next to Bhopal for sure. You'll find all 3 of us in Bhopal for the next vlog. Just comment down and tell me which city do you want to explore with us. Let's explore the city a little more. Bye.
दोस्तों, मैं अभी लखनऊ में हूँ और मेरे पीछे गोमती रिवर अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो आप देख सकते हो. और इसको कहते हैं आइसक्रीम पॉइंट. और शाम से मैं घूम रहा हूँ. काफ़ी चीज़ें ऑफ़र की गई, गोलगप्पे और चाउमीन ये वो, और अपने स्वभाव के अनुसार मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लिया. तो लेकिन आइसक्रीम एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके लिए मैं आमतौर पर ना नहीं कहता हूँ. और आपको जान करके हंसी आएगी कि जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं आइसक्रीम वेंडर मतलब ही बनना चाहता था, आइसक्रीम बेचने वाला. तो बाकी रियलिटी क्या है, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ अगली फैक्ट्स बिहाइंड लाइफ ऑफ आइसक्रीम वेंडर्स. तो खैर वो बात अलग है.
And all of them are having their gala time while having ice cream.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So, what is your view about Lucknow now? After exploring for the last 2 hours.
It is very difficult to define the city Lucknow in a few words. Okay, and especially at a time when you are having cornetto.
And what about you? We cannot see an ice cream in your hand.
I already had it, and as I told you, Lucknow is Lucknow. Okay.
Lucknow is Lucknow. Truly, like it is a place of surprises.
Yes.
We cannot explain in one word that what is
One
Lucknow.
Very interesting thing. The spelling of Lucknow is Lucknow.
Yes.
Lucknow. One thing I can say, because having cornetto close to Gomti River, yes, my luck is working now.
Lucknow. So we got a new definition about Lucknow is Lucknow.
On our side, luck is on our side.
Yes. Also, one more thing I had to ask to you guys is that you guys have traveled and lived for many years in Mumbai, Delhi, and you know a lot of metropolitan cities. One thing that has amazed me in Lucknow is the city lights. Like the combination of lights, and it is a place of lights. What do you want to say about the lights on street?
See, in comparison of Delhi, it is, I'm very sorry to say, but dim. Okay, dull. But yes, better. Okay.
And what about you? Like, what do you want to say about the street lights?
So, are you talking about these lights? This
Yes,
colorful,
the colorful street lights we
Tricolor
have right
lights.
now. Yeah, you guys can see like it is tricolor lights here,
Yeah,
and
tricolor.
even other roads we have seen like it is full of different colors of lights. So is it because of festivals
No,
or
these lights are permanent, and you will travel from the eastern border of Devariya to this central border of UP like Noida. So this is a, you can say, symbol of UP. Entire UP will find these kind of triangular lights.
ओके तो मतलब मेरा भारत महान वी कैन हैव दिस फीलिंग थ्रू आउट द जर्नी ऑफ लखनऊ.
Throughout journey of UP. Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Also one more thing, what do you guys have to say about traffic? Like I don't walk, I don't travel a lot more on roads. I do travel in metro, so I don't see any, traffic. You guys have seen the real traffic in Mumbai, Delhi. What is the condition of traffic?
See, despite festive days, no chaos on the roads. So you can say either it's an advantage or already stated that luck is on your side.
Luck now. Yeah, maybe true. What do you want to say about ice cream? Like, are you going to have another ice cream?
Of course. See, a while ago they offered a lot of things, chole, golgappe, chaat, and most of the things were refused. Okay, but yes, this is ice cream. This I could not refuse.
डेजर्ट के लिए तो हमेशा जगह रहती है. लाइक आइसक्रीम हैज इट्स ओन प्लेस इन आवर टमी. आइसक्रीम इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, इट इज़ अ डेजर्ट. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द लेडीज. लेट्स आस्क देम कैसा लग रहा है. लाइक यू आर हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम enjoying your ice creams.
ये टेस्ट का है इसलिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात कि मुझे यहाँ पर मदर डेयरी की आइसक्रीम मिल रही है. आई लव इट.
हाँ, वन ग्रेट थिंग ऐसा है टोल्ड यू कि यहाँ पर आइसक्रीम हर एक कंपनी की मिलेगी.
ऑल द ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल over here.
वेडीलाल, अमूल, क्वालिटी वॉल्स, मदर डेयरी, every cream bell as well. So yeah, every brand is available over there.
पार्टी तो बनती है.